please tell us about ways of making sure that we are using our time so that it is the most productive time that we are investing in, and making sure that, and please tell us about what does that mean to you.
Mhm. Uh, when I'm working with both experienced and budding entrepreneurs, one of the first things that we do is we make a list of priorities. So we take a look at what are the priorities in your personal life and what are the priorities in your work life. Because one of the benefits of being an entrepreneur is that you can choose your own schedule. So let's take advantage of this so that you can live your best life. And from there, we decide how much time should be devoted on average each week to all these different parts of your personal life and your professional life. And obviously, that'll change from week to week. But if you don't have that initial definition of what's important to you, then things just tend to get very chaotic and you end up not living the life you had wanted to in the first place when you got into this entrepreneurship. We also talk about the balance between running the business and using your gift that you have, that you saw, which is the reason why you decided to become an entrepreneur. Because I've seen a lot of entrepreneurs spend so much time on the administrative running the business part that they don't spend time on their passion. And that just creates a negative effect. So we work on the balance that they want to define and that they want to maintain and revisit as you go along. But what is your definition of that balance you want to have?